With the AK-24 and AK-36, you get exactly what you need. AK Compact, reduced to the max. With the keyhole fastening, you save time and nerves during installation. Hook in, align, tighten, and done. The small distribution boards come with 18 soft entry membranes on one side. This ensures quick cable entries, completely tool-free, and, above all, sealed tight. If you prefer a classic approach, the enclosure can also be simply rotated. The metric knockouts are already prepared. For example, cable glands can seal and provide maximum strain relief for solid or flexible conductors, compliant with standards and safe. Our new DIN rail snaps in without tools. Just click it in. That's how it should be. And there is enough space under the DIN rail to route cables neatly. The screwless PEN terminal can also be snapped in quickly. This reduces assembly time. The rail-mounted devices can be positioned faster and more precisely. Markings on the DIN rail and the mechanical stop show you exactly the way. The compact small distribution boards offer an optimized screwless terminal, no matter what you have planned. The push-in PEN terminal for solid conductors has a flexible clamping area and is suitable for almost all types of copper conductors. Integrated clamping pockets in the enclosure bottom ensure maximum order with reduced space requirements. For example, this allows you to create more space on the DIN rail in combination with Wago terminals, or quickly split the incoming supply onto multiple RCDs, because nobody has time to search for an error that nobody wants to have made. With a quarter turn of the snap lock screws, the cover sits firmly, and the hinged window opens and closes very easily, without any effort. The door hinge can be changed very quickly. Open the door, gently lever it out, and reinsert. Compared to its predecessor, it is maximally ergonomic, almost as if someone built it just for you. A distributor that adapts flexibly to any installation situation. Developed by practitioners, for practitioners. Reduced to the max. AK Compact.